Hello everybody. Today I want to introduce you to this unique plant called Pandanus dubius, belonging to the family Pandanaceae. But these leaves are not edible like the pandan leaves. It is also called bakong or knob-fruited screwpine because the fruits have knobs like those of custard apple. The leaves have origami-like folds and serrations along the edges, which are these small spines. Young plants look like rosettes on the ground. But when they become bigger, the trunk becomes gnarly and knobby, developing prop roots and aerial roots to support this top-heavy plant. This particular plant is growing in our apartment, and our gardeners cut off the prop roots by mistake since they didn't look so good. So now we have this alternate arrangement using pipes filled with soil to support the remaining roots. Can you see those scars on the trunk where the roots were cut off? Pandanus dubius plants can reach a height of 5 to 10 meters in their natural habitat, the trunk covered with leaves and prop roots. Plants are either male or female, the male ones producing only flowers and the female ones producing fruits. Propagation is very easy and interesting. Mature plants have these small plantlets growing right below the leaves. These can be cut off with a sharp knife and replanted to produce new plants. Pandanus dubius plants have many uses. Their broad, thick, waterproof leaves are used for weaving mats, thatching huts, and making umbrellas. They are also used for wrapping food materials. Here you can see the prop roots more clearly. Once they reach the ground, they produce small hair-like roots that support the plant. These other roots beside are on their way to the ground like tiny torpedoes. Fibers from the prop roots are used for weaving baskets and chairs and also for making threads and ropes. So there you go, the beautiful, majestic plant for your garden, Pandanus dubius. Happy gardening!